How to fix your Spotify Wrapped 2022.
Welcome to the How-To Hub channel, where we provide the easy solutions to everyday how-to questions.
With Spotify Wrapped 2022 arrival, many people are struggling to find theirs on the app. Try these simple fixes that could help you. Firstly, make sure you have the latest version of Spotify from the App Store. If required, update within the App Store. Secondly, you can simply restart your phone. This sometimes resets the app and updates where required. Thirdly, you can try to offload the app within the Settings menu. Simply go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, search for Spotify, then tap on Offload the app. You will then need to reinstall the app after. If this all fails, you may not be applicable to use Spotify Wrapped 2022 or it is yet to be released in your area. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to fix your Spotify Wrapped 2022.
Please like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date with the How-To Hub.